The Chesapeake Bay Retriever is one of the most powerful and resilient retriever breeds in the world. Developed in the United States during the 19th century, this breed was designed to retrieve waterfowl from the icy waters of Chesapeake Bay. Harsh winds, freezing temperatures, and rough currents shaped every part of this dog's body. Its thick, oily double coat repels water and traps warmth, allowing it to work for hours in cold conditions. A broad chest, strong shoulders, and large webbed feet provide powerful swimming ability and endurance. Chesapeake Bay Retrievers are intelligent and independent, often solving problems without direct guidance. They are loyal to their family, naturally cautious with strangers, and confident without being aggressive. Today, they continue to work in hunting, search and rescue, and demanding outdoor roles. The Chesapeake Bay Retriever is not endangered and maintains a stable population worldwide. Built for endurance rather than elegance, this breed represents strength shaped by environment.